Suppose, Mr. Jinnah, I would say to you, let's have a united India with a democratic constitution and the first Prime Minister of India, completely free to choose his own cabinet, would be Muhammad Ali Jinnah.
Why do you want to force reluctant partners into a marriage? Our customs, our food, we can't even drink out of the same glass. You don't yet understand why we want to create Pakistan.
Both communities have suffered, Mr. Jinnah.
Yes, they have. And they must be separated.